In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA, on your desktop. Ensuring your online accounts are well protected is crucial, and using two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. Let's dive in. Before you start using Bitwarden for two-factor authentication, you first need to enable 2FA on the specific service you wish to secure. Whether it's Gmail, Facebook, GitHub, or any other service, you'll begin by logging into the website and navigating to Settings. Within your security settings, look for the two-factor authentication section and select the option to use an authenticator app. At this point, you'll be presented with either a QR code or a secret key. These will be essential for the process, so have them ready. Next, we'll incorporate this information into Bitwarden. If you haven't already, open the Bitwarden desktop app or the browser extension. Once it's open, log in and unlock your vault. Find the login item that corresponds to the account you're securing. For instance, if it's your Gmail account, look for that specific entry. Click on Edit to access its details. Scroll down to the Authenticator Key section, also known as TOTP, which stands for Time-Based One-Time Password. Here you will paste the secret key you obtained from the service. Alternatively, if your desktop supports it, you might see an option to scan the QR code directly from Bitwarden. When you're done, don't forget to save the item. Once you've added the code to Bitwarden, it will automatically generate time-based 6-digit codes. These codes refresh every 30 seconds, ensuring that they remain secure. To access them, simply open the login item within Bitwarden. You'll see the current code displayed, ready to be copied when you need it for logging in. When it's time to log into your secured account, head to the website and input your username and password as you normally would. Bitwarden can help by autofilling these credentials for you. When prompted for the 2FA code, switch over to Bitwarden on your desktop. Copy the latest 6-digit code that it generated and paste it into the website's two-factor authentication prompt. This step confirms your identity, adding an invaluable layer of security to your login process. For those with Bitwarden Premium, there's an optional convenience feature that can make your life even easier. In certain browsers and extensions, Bitwarden can autofill not only your login credentials, but also the two-factor authentication code immediately afterward. To turn this handy option on, head to Settings, select Options, and then enable the autofill TOTP feature. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've fortified your online security by integrating Bitwarden's two-factor authentication capabilities on your desktop. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more security enhancement tips.